Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use the menu data with replications for kinetic data. This module was developed to verify if the experimental data reached a constant behavior based on comparison tests. Initially, it is necessary to prepare the sheet with the data. For adsorption kinetics, 2 sheets are required. One with the name data, which should contain the time value in column A. Another one with the name data_QT, which should contain the replicates obtained for the concentration of adsorbate on the solid phase. Each replication must be allocated in one column, and at least 3 repetitions are required for each experimental point. Now, close the spreadsheet and open the CAVS. Then go to the Kinetics menu, Adsorption Data, and click on Data with Replications. You can choose between 2 comparison tests. Click on Load the data and run. Select the file prepared for this module, and click on Open. In Plot, a graph of adsorption kinetics will be generated. In Kinetics Graph, a plot of adsorption kinetics with standard deviation and mean error will be generated. In ANOVA table, the ANOVA table will be displayed. In Comparison Test, a comparison plot of the means will be presented. In this chart, the average of the last time value entered through the spreadsheet is compared to all other averages. Red dots were considered equal from the last average. Black dots were considered different from the last average. This behavior indicates that the data has achieved constant pattern. Since the increase in contact time by more than 2000 minutes did not significantly change the concentration in the solid phase, indicating that the kinetic equilibrium was reached in 2000 minutes. The results are automatically saved to the file provided. Four sheets will be created. The first with the mean, standard deviation, and confidence interval of the mean. The second with the time and the average of each point. This sheet is ready to be used to fit models to the experimental data. The third one contains the ANOVA table. And the fourth contains the comparison test. The steps in the desorption kinetics and isotherms modules are similar to those presented in this video. Thanks for watching.